Is a single-page web design right for your business? Most websites, especially those for businesses, use a multi-page format, but increasingly we're seeing companies opt for single-page designs predominantly because they are less cluttered, simpler to navigate, and less time extensive. If you're building a new site or revamping an old one and not sure which navigation flow is right for you, this article provides some insight. Single-page versus multi-page. What's the difference? Content, text, and images on single-page websites load onto one page. Users navigate by clicking on links that bump them up or down to various locations on the page, but they don't actually leave the page. With multi-page designs, you have several pages of content and users rely on navigation bars and drop-down menus to go to different sections and pages on the website. Which is better? Neither is particularly better, but both certainly have their pros and cons. Single-page designs are simple and uncluttered, so they are speedier to load. Because all the content is on one page, they are much easier to navigate, and the user experience is more continuous and less disruptive. Such sites provide just enough information to encourage a user to follow through on a call to action, and everything the user needs is on one page. The simplicity, however, can also be the problem. With single-page designs, you have very limited space so that you can't provide much detail. Such designs are also hard to scale as your business grows. Plus, with so few words on a single-page website, they are hard to optimize, so they don't always rank well with Google. That's why most business websites are multi-page designs, because they provide more space and can become as complex or large as you need them to be. The downside there is that they can become unwieldy and hard to navigate if they aren't designed well. On the back end, single-page websites are easier to design, manage, and maintain because there's less to do. So which is right for your business? It depends on your goals and your content. Consensus is that single-page designs are ideal for landing pages, brochure websites, event promotions, portfolios, and other pages where a great deal of text isn't warranted and you can rely heavily on imagery. Still, the right designer can make the design work for you. Here are a few questions to ask yourself. How much content is critical for me to share? How much time do I have to develop and maintain the website? Where do I want to be a year from now, 5 years from now, or maybe even 10 years from now? With that in mind, work with a designer to come up with a plan for your website. Even simpler single-page designs require expertise, maybe even more so than multi-page designs, because visuals, custom scrolling, and text placements are so critical.